Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by powering the GPS and ensuring it can connect. Plug into power or confirm battery above 30% because updates or map loading consume energy. Next, connect to Wi-Fi or enable cellular data so the device can download maps or authenticate your account. Once done, open the Settings menu and locate the System or Navigation section. Make sure you back up routes and preferences to avoid losing saved waypoints when you swap maps or reset the device. Now choose the maps you want to change or add. Go into Navigation, then Maps, and tap Manage Maps. You'll see installed and available map packages. If importing, connect via USB or app and transfer the map file to the device's map folder. If downloading, pick the region and start the download. Make sure to install updates after download. The device may verify files and take from 10 to 30 minutes, so keep it powered and wait until the installation completes. Finish by configuring how the GPS routes and behaves. Open navigation preferences and set fastest versus shortest routes, avoidances like tolls, and voice guidance levels. These settings determine how new maps are used. Then verify accuracy. Perform a quick route test and watch the position lock. If the device reports incorrect position or won't route, recalibrate the GPS, clear the app cache, and reboot. If problems persist, restore your backup and retry the install. That single troubleshooting step resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.